In this precision collet expansion project, UltraFlex delivered a superior solution to replace an unreliable heating method. The task involved heating two specific zones of a 4,340 steel collet detail. Precise temperature levels were set: 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit for Zone 1 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit for Zone 2. Important part of the test was achieving exact temperature while rotating the part and managing thermal distribution carefully to avoid deformations. The UltraFlex Solo 16, paired with a custom helical coil, enabled accurate, repeatable expansion using adjustable spacers and plugs. On-site testing with the customer confirmed the effectiveness of the process, especially after refinement in plug design. The tests confirmed that the thermal cycle and part handling met production requirements, and all this under 2 minutes. The ultimate result? Reliable, non-contact heating with high repeatability and control, perfectly tailored for high-precision shrink-fitting tasks. For more details, use the reference number AR 3463 8854. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more case studies and subscribe to our YouTube channel.